Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Yes! I realized that I didn't have very many decorations for Connor's party, so I made a trip to the Dollar Tree. I did pick up 2 of these hanging decorations. Basically, they're tissue paper pom-poms. I got green and black because we're having a Ben 10 party, and I also got a green poster board and a white poster board because I like to draw and do DIY kind of things for his party, so that's what I'm going to do there. I did purchase I actually thought these were letters, so I'm kind of disappointed that I came home with these, but they are die cut numbers. I was like, heck yes, there's a green pack of letters. And I didn't even notice. I threw them in the car and went on. Yay! Another little random thing I found today, this joking around letter rip sound machine. And I thought that was kind of funny, and I think Connor will absolutely love this. Found some new finds at my store. And I got the doggy chip clips, or multi-purpose clips, whatever you want to use them for. Aren't they adorable? I did pick up these SureFresh 3-pack of the reusable containers, and these are microwave safe, so that's kind of why I grabbed those up. And they are 3 cups, 24 fluid ounces. So I thought that was a really good buy. I need to replace some of my other ones. Also, I got these reusable coffee cups, and these are also microwave safe. And I got the ones that say wake up and smell the coffee. And I never buy stuff like this, like ever. But I just thought, you know what? Why not? Why not? This is a great idea. You can carry coffee in the car. And I found a loaf of butternut bread for $1. You really cannot beat that. It's very fresh. These oven baked fudge covered graham rounds. They're really good. I did find the new Bolero hydrating bath soak in watermelon and aloe. I already opened this. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this. And then I did pick up a soft soap antibacterial hand soap, but I just really wanted just a plain Jane antibacterial soap. And then I also picked up the Spick and Span everyday spray cleaner in the antibacterial spray, because obviously it kills bacteria, viruses. I have my Clorox handy, and we are being super hyper aware of all the sickness going around. So you can never be too careful. So just taking extra cautionary steps. And while I was there, I was looking for some eyeshadow palette storage ideas. And I have been watching some videos. They did recommend the napkin holder for this. I just picked up one the other day that I'm using for cookbooks, and it works very nicely to hold those in place. And so I don't know if I'm going to use this for palettes yet or something else. And I did pick up this Essential Fridge soda can storage container. I like this nice and big. I am not sure I'm going to use this for soda cans. I may use this for cans in the cabinet. And now saying that out loud, I wish that I'd got 2 of these. But that's okay. I just picked up one for now. This is the first time I found those in my store. And then I picked up the book. I picked up a book bin. Basically a file holder. Same concept. I don't know if I want to use this for eyeshadow palettes, this for eyeshadow palettes, or we'll do something else makeup related with this. I'm not entirely sure. Either fridge or cabinet for that as well. I'm not sure. Okay. Last and final item I grabbed from the Dollar Tree today is this felt craft kit. And it's a bunny. They had these in girl and boy bunnies. And I just thought this was so cute. And I knew that Connor would probably love doing this. My baby loves crafts. So that's what he looks like. So I picked that up for Connor. And that's my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. Check the description box below for additional Dollar Tree links. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope you guys are having such a blessed day. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.